wish to present a tribute to the man behind the uniform, the philosopher and the rebel that was Kunwar Viyogi. All artists are keen observers of the tumultuous journey of life, not afraid to throw themselves into the fray. We all feel the push and pull of life, the rise and fall of emotion and inspiration. From the touch and words of a loved one, the pride we feel for our nation, to the crushing blow of loss in all tracks of life. We all feel, but it is a fleeting experience. Where artists like Kunwar Viyogi and many before and after him come in, is that they capture and nurture that feeling, that divine spark of humanity in words, immortalizing portraits of the human condition and their potential. When we launched the Kunwar Viyogi Memorial Trust in Jammu, everyone used to say that Tiger Nanu had encapsulated the idea of what is a home. As I translate more and more of his couplets, I believe his poem Ghar is much more than that. More than anything, it is a haunting, tragic, beautiful, and inspiring tribute to the human spirit. Words which savor the darkness and light of a bittersweet journey, the amalgamation of memories that make us who we are. So here are 5 of my favorite couplets from Ghar, and soon we will get the complete translation of the book in bookstores everywhere. Kunwar Viyogi says, "A home is neither a roof or walls, nor daughters and sons. A home is neither a boundary of what we own or memories of relatives and friends. A home is an incarnation of love, the tune of the heart. A still, mute, even hallowed mix of brick and mortar can never be a home. I am neither a warrior, a Rajput, a priest, or a king. My spirit does not belong to any caste or creed. Even though there is strength in my name, in my deeds, in my path, in this deceitful, fickle existence, I have no home. Women strong and beautiful, I see them bound and beaten in palaces of false prophets. A vengeful turn of time, now I see them sprout wings. Fate now sneers at those who chain these farishtas, as blessings reign where they shine, lending the radiance of love to a home. Khadi on your back won't make you Gandhi's heir or disciple. Neither will long lectures, hollow and fleeting displays of wisdom. Gandhi was enlightened with purpose. Truth was his strength. He resides and rules the hearts of millions, even though he lived without a home."